Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video. For those who are seeing this face for the first time, hi, my name is Zandi Kwezi, and for those who are coming back for more content, for more of this amazing content, I love you, baby, honey. Thank you for coming back to my channel. I am back with a vlog. It's a short vlog, guys. Didn't do much this weekend, but I was like, okay, let me take my phone and shoot some stuff. Okay, so please enjoy this video and don't forget to give it a like, a thumbs up, and also please subscribe down below, and also share to your friends. Guys, can you see the growth? We are slowly getting there. We're gonna hit 200 soon, so yeah, please keep sharing and showing some love and leaving some comments, guys. Oh, I love reading your comments. Thank you so much to everyone who has been supporting me until now and forevermore. So yeah, please enjoy. Okay, so I started this vlog Friday. It was load shedding, so we didn't do much on our first class, and then on this period our lecturer was homesick, so we had to do what we had to do some work, because her class was being used by other students. So we asked our computer lecturer to let us do our tasks in her class. So this is what we are doing here. So the plan for Friday was to go and watch a movie at the mall, which was free, and they offered free popcorn, so that was our plan. This is me waiting for the time to pass so that we can go to the mall. I am still reading the book, guys, the book that I told you about in the other vlog, and that's Zama reading also, I think. So when we got to the mall, I saw this cute place, so I thought I should take a video. Next time I come here, I'm gonna bring some coins because this looks so fun, but I'd be frustrated if I don't win anything after spending so much money there. So we're gonna see when I get there. I thought this was so cute, so many lollipops in one place. So yeah, this place is so cute. I did ask the people who were there if I could shoot, so after waiting some time, I asked the person who's behind the West Coast Mob page what is going on, because it looked like there's not anything done on the place that they said there's gonna be a movie, only to find out that the movie is postponed to next week. So we'll see. I'm thinking of attending. I know I should be disappointed, but I like things. So this is us going home, but we had to drop Sama off first because the res was still open, because it was before 9. There she is going inside. I did make sure she's safe though. So yeah, then we left and went straight to Saldanha. I realized that I haven't been out in such a long time that I was shocked that after 8 it becomes this dark. Maybe it's because the last time I went out it was in summer. So yeah, this is us getting home. It was so cute, and the electricity was gone when we got home, but there was nothing much to do. I went straight to bed. Then the following day, I went to a surprise date, which was amazing. This place was so cute, but I've never been there before, so I was a little bit skeptical to shoot the videos, so which is why I don't show much on the video. We ordered some food and then we went out to see the views. This was amazing. I wish I could go back again, but it's so expensive. But I'll see, guys. I'll see. If I go back, then I'll try and take more videos so that you can see how beautiful it is. The interior design was so cute. It was so amazing, guys. And there were a few people there, so I I went out a little bit out of the shell just to show you guys what happened. Oh guys, I'm so shy. I need to overcome this shyness because this place was amazing and I missed out on making a lot of videos, but this is what went down. Guys, this was so cute. This was so cute. This is a memory I'll never forget. This meal was so delicious, you guys. And as you know, when I go out, I always order a burger, but this time I was like, oh, I should order something different. So I ordered this pasta. And then after that, we went to Langaban to chill a little bit. So this is what went down. I didn't get much of the shots. As you can see, it was Sama who was behind the camera, but she did get a little bit of what was going on. And this is not my place, guys, so I can't be making videos of people who don't want to be in the videos. So this is Zama's point of view. Guys, you should subscribe to her channel. Maybe soon she'll post some videos because she is the girl behind many videos. Sometimes when I'm shy, I give her the camera so that she can make the videos. And this is Sunday. We just sat in the bed and ate some stuff that we got yesterday. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a like. Bye.